Hi everyone, and welcome to the final video of this project series. In this video, I will walk you through the last updates I have made and showcase the finished website. By default, when searching, we use the regular search method. I have added an option to switch the tokenizer from the standard tokenizer to an n-gram tokenizer. However, if you switch to semantic search, the tokenizer dropdown will disappear since it doesn't affect semantic searches. If I go back to regular search and change the tokenizer, the options in the year select box updates dynamically. For example, we have 9 documents that were published in 2015. But if I change the tokenizer to n-gram, you can see that now we have 271. This just shows you that the two tokenizers behave differently. If you already selected a year and then switch the tokenizer, everything will reset and the new values will be recalculated automatically. With these updates, the website now has complete functionality and you can manually adjust everything as needed. Throughout this project, my focus was on the backend, but if you are curious about the front end, feel free to explore the front end folder. I used Vue.js to build it and it should be straightforward to follow. If you have made it to the end of this course, I want to say you are amazing. I would love to hear your feedback and I hope you found the course both interesting and informative. Take care.